What's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you what's on my iPhone 11. So this is just the stuff that I download when I get most of my phones. One of the things I always get is Google Maps. I don't like Apple's stock map. I don't like the UI. I think Google Maps just more dependable. These are the games I mostly play: PUBG, Fortnite, Asphalt. I played these all on the iPhone. You can check out the gaming video if you want to. Jetpack Joyride is a pretty cool game. But this new game that I've been playing is the Mario Kart game, and I'll go ahead and show you this. It's pretty fun. It is out for iOS and Android as well. So the graphics are really beautiful on this Mario Kart game, and it is free. You can download it right now. The only thing about this game is getting used to the controls on here, but as you can see, the graphics are beautiful. But as you can see, I'll show you, like, the controls. I haven't been playing it for a while, but it is kind of hard to like control. So it's something you gotta get used to. So I'm not crazy about like touch controls. I usually don't game a lot on my phone, especially with racing games, but this was too good to pass up, so I want to put the effort in to learn really how to play this game. As you can see, very cool. They have all sorts of levels, characters, you know, the classic characters you can play with. Very cool. And the graphics, like I said, look beautiful on the iPhone 11. One of the next things I want to show you is Antutu benchmark scores. So if you haven't seen, you're in the 400,000s with the iPhone 11, and if you go to ranking, you can see that it is right. Come on. You can see that it is right underneath the iPad Pro 3, which is pretty cool. So these are in the 500,000s. This is in the 400,000s. So the Apple A13 chip is very powerful. It's pretty much just a benchmarking app that you use to compare to, you know, other Android phones or whatever. So another application I want to show you guys is Just Watch. So this is a pretty cool application. So if you have Amazon Prime, Hulu, and Netflix, and you want to know like all the new shows or what's on it, you know, this is a good app to have it all at once. So as you can see, if I go on here, you can see these are all the new stuff that came on Amazon, Hulu, or Amazon Prime. These are the new movies they just added or whatever. And it's just pretty cool to have it all in one, so you can check it out. Very cool. We can go to popular, you know, show you all the popular shows, and I can click on individual ones if I want to. If I just want to click on Amazon Prime or Netflix, if I just want to take one off. And they have a lot more, HBO, YouTube, the Apple, the Roku. They pretty much have all the popular ones, and they'll show you what's in theaters near you, and what's upcoming, so upcoming movies and all that stuff. Price drops, it'll show you. So it's very cool. And you have your watch list as well. So pretty cool app. So everybody who's into watching Netflix and Hulu, you kind of you know, bounce through all three. You're gonna really enjoy this to keep up to date with what's new and what they're adding and stuff all in one. Now, Live Wallpapers is an app for live wallpapers, but I've been testing it out to see if the iPhone's battery is going to die. It does have these annoying ads that pop up, but it is free, and they do have some pretty good wallpapers. So as you can see, it's just the ads kind of pop up all the time. It's annoying. But you can put these on your phone if you're into live wallpapers. They have a lot of cool ones that I really like. So the next one is Discord. Discord is pretty much what I use when I'm gaming and stuff with my friends. It's pretty much just like a hub app that you chat and, you know, you can talk on with when you're gaming or whatever. Let's get into the gaming. So Hot Wheels is it's one of those games I've been playing. Now it's definitely, I gotta turn it down because they'll give you copyright and all that crap. YouTube's getting really bad with that. So what I love about this Hot Wheels game is that the graphics are really nice on here. The controls are a little bit better. I wish they would put the controls like this on Mario Kart, and you get to play against actual people, which is pretty cool. So I just really like this game for the visuals. As you can see, there's not a lot of racing games that look really pretty like this. Yeah. The next application for wallpapers is called HD Wallpapers. So these are just your standard wallpapers. They have a lot of wallpapers. I usually go to most popular to see like the best wallpapers that people are downloading. Usually some of the best ones. You can try to flick through them. And they usually have some pretty good wallpapers, so you guys can check this one out as well if you're a wallpaper junkie. This is a pretty good one. Next we have the Weibo app. So the Weibo app is a free investing app, and I don't think I have it set up, but you can invest for free. So if you're trying to get into the stock market, you can definitely download this. What's cool about this is that there's actually a simulator on here. So if I wanted to paper trade with fake money and just invest like that, so let's say you don't know what you're doing, you're scared, you can just go ahead and invest without using real money, and I think that's pretty cool. So it's very easy to use. You can really just come in here, buy stocks for free, hold it, whatever. You can learn to do more advanced stuff. So it's very cool. Highly recommend it. So the next application on here is Doodle Jump. I've been playing Doodle Jump since the iPod Touch 2nd generation, so a long time. This has been a favorite of mine. It's basically what it is. It's basically, you know, jumping game. It's very simple, but these are the type of games I like to play when I'm out. I don't like to play like real, you know, complicated games. Just real simple stuff like this that just sort of, you know, help time fly by. And they also have different modes on here. I'll show you. I also have a lot of themes on here, as you can see. Yeah, Halloween, pretty much, you know, a lot. There's also a multiplayer mode on here as well, which is really awesome. So you can play against other people. Now, Dead Trigger 2 is one of my favorite like shooting games on here. So you guys have probably heard of it before, but basically it's just a zombie shooter game. It's very simple. You basically just kill zombies. This is another good way to pass time. I really like this game as well. And it has like a kind of a little story, but it's nothing like, you know, I just like to come in here and shoot zombies and stuff. It's another game to really kill time. And someone asked about the iPhone heating. I don't really have heating problems. Sometimes the only time I really have like where it gets uncomfortably, I messed that up, where it gets uncomfortable is when I'm charging and I'm trying to use the phone when it's charging. That's when it gets really warm and kind of uncomfortable to hold. So you know, that's really interesting. It does get really warm. So I have Yahoo Finance to keep up with like stock market news and stuff like that. So whatever companies you like to invest in, you can check that out, and it's got like a news section or whatever. What else is on here? Google Keep is for notes. So instead of using notes for the instead of using notes like the notepad in the iPhone, you can just use this, and when you switch and write a note and say in your Android phone, you can come over here. So it's all connected to your Google account, which is pretty cool. So I really like using Google Keep to take notes with. What else is on here? We got eBay. That's pretty much it. I don't install a lot of stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So Netflix, everybody knows about Netflix. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I don't install a lot of stuff. That's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.